let's talk about modeling masks. So first, your modeling mask should come after your skincare steps, your toner, ampoule, and even your cream, because you want to soak all that goodness in. Or you can use your cream after the modeling mask, depending on how your skin feels after. Now, there are two different types of packaged modeling masks, the bulk types and the individually packaged types. The bulk types are the ones that comes in a huge bag like this. You also do need a separate spoon to measure and scoop the powder, and a bowl for the powder and a spatula. That's why if it's your first time, it's highly recommended to get the one-time use individually packaged ones first, because it comes with all the tools that you need. So now that you have all your tools, I do about 1.5 scoops or little less, then add in water according to the instructions. This is important because too much water can make it really runny, or too little can make it hard to apply on your skin. Alright, now we're gonna mix this baby up until you get this chewy, beautiful texture like this. So first, clean out your spatula and then grab a good spoonful and slant your spatula, and then start here and go down to your chin. Grab more and do the same for the other cheek. And then after, apply a layer over the mouth, and you can keep this part open if you feel uncomfortable. Next, I like to do my nose. This is the most tricky part. Get a spoonful and let the product drip down vertically by holding your spatula horizontally like this. And then when you reach the middle of the nose, swipe left and right so that it's fully covered. Then add the remainder onto your forehead. And voila! Any remainder that you have, just make sure to apply it onto areas where the layer looks a little bit thin or needs filling. Now wait about 15 to 20 minutes until the mask is fully dry, or follow the instructions of your modeling mask. A quick tip when taking off the mask is I like to get a toner pad and I like to wet the outlines of the mask like this. Then it should peel off really smoothly. And with the little crust that you get, use the toner pad to remove it gently like this. The effects of modeling masks are out of this world. Comment below if you have any questions, and stay tuned in for the next modeling mask series.